Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet a circular flower with a bead. You will need a pen, 3.5mm crochet hook for this flower. First of all, wrap some yarn around the pen few times. After that, remove these yarn strands. Wrap the other yarn strand around your finger, and after that, with the help of crochet hook, start making single crochets around this yarn. Take your crochet hook from inside of the hole, draw a loop and make a single crochet all around the yarn. Continue making single crochets till the circle is completed. When the circle is completed, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Now the first round is completed. For the second one, make chain 1 and again start making single crochet around the circle. Continue making single crochets till the circle is completed with the second row of single crochet. In the end, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet of this round. Again make chain 1 and again start making single crochets around the circle. By the way, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my videos. I have completed my circle. Now make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Pull the yarn. Cut the yarn with a long yarn strand. After that, set it out on the right side. And now add a bead in the flower. For adding a bead, use a yarn needle. Now the flower is ready. If you like the video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.